Everybody, my name's Zayden from Reap What You Sow Gardening, and I'm actually going to be testing out the sump pumps. So, Chuck from Apple Drains, if you're watching this, then I'm happy if you're watching this. Or if you're not watching this, then I'll have to send you a little email of the video. If you want to watch it, Chuck, and everyone else out there can totally watch it. It doesn't care. I don't care. But, oh, I really need to water those daisies. Not even like 2 hours. They looked beautiful. Now they look like, they look like they're from hell and back. And these mosquitoes, thank God they're gone. They're like they're a curse from hell, straight out of the pit of hell. Those mosquitoes ain't good for nothing. They're straight out of the pit of hell. They ain't good for nothing. Nothing. Those mosquitoes. And crane flies. And leaf hoppers. I think they bite too. And one time I was at my grandmother's house. And my grandma's house. And, well, I was sitting, she had statues of little deer and stuff. They were like ceramic statues in the yard. And she's like close to a farm. So yeah. So if I go to my mom's friend's house, she's from New York, I think, and she has a homestead too. So she said that if I go to her house, she might even teach me how to drive a real tractor, which is cool. So anyway, let's not leave that weekend. Oh, I was sitting on that deer statue and I got bit by a what is that? A leaf hopper. Now we're gonna put this on. And if you're wondering where the heck I got this crappy hose thingy, not that. That thing's genuine. That's good. But this thing that was from Roses. It's a store. And yeah, it's really, this thing's really crap, but it still works. Oh yeah. I'll let you guys look at the, hold on, let me squirt that moth. It's like a moth. I don't want to touch the eggplants or anything. I'm gonna set you guys up right here so you can see the plants. While I fill this, because I know it's going to be a long time till I fill this. Making the blueberries is still coming out. I need some, a little bit of time, because I'm just doing everything with videos. Once I don't upload in a while, I just start to get a little nervous that I just bring in a whole boatload of videos, just to, am I using this word right? Just to compensate for the ones that I didn't upload, or just getting a whole boatload of them and completing the YouTube algorithm. Is that a chipmunk? Oh yeah, guys, you don't want to know my history of chipmunks. I don't like them. They go underneath the AC units and went in the crawl space. And no, I don't have a basement. I did have a basement in Long Island, New York. Yes, I did. I mean, Westbury, yeah. But, we're gonna fill this up. And to stop the hose thingy, I just have to bang it on the ground. But look at the lemons and the citrus and stuff. These are the grapefruits. I think there's a lemon mixed in with that, but there's more grapefruits. I'll move these to the front, and there's a sprouted acorn. There's always acorn. So this is getting old a little bit, but no, I'd still like to have a little sprouted acorn. That's cool. I'll plant that acorn in there and turn off this dumb hose. And for dinner, like one day I'll have spaghetti squash that we'll make. I'll show cooking it, but when I'm done with it, since it has seeds like a pumpkin and not like a zucchini or courgette or whatever it's called. I never ate that, but I ate zucchini, and was that bird pee that just went on my head? Maybe it was a sprinkler. I don't know. But it's not like zucchini with the seeds that are like regular, like English cucumber seeds, and they're like just you can't even see them, the seedless. But they were kind of like pumpkin seeds because they're all related. Spaghetti squash, so it'll taste good. So first we're gonna review the this. Oh, hold up! I need to water the daisies. Why didn't I water the Why didn't I water you? You'll suck that water up like it's the last water it ever has. And once the water sits, then that's when you know that it's already drinking it and sucking it up. Alright guys, so, no, we're not doing that. I'm gonna set you guys on this, I don't know what this is, but no. Setting up, I said, and we're gonna put the pump over here. Nail like that. Ooh. Put it on a flat surface. So if it ain't a flat surface, then this is gonna be weird. So I'm gonna get something to scoop it up with. Oh, maybe this whole pickle jar. I always have stuff that's useful, like a pickle jar. Alright, does that have the lacrosse ball? No, the Photon has it. So we'll try the lacrosse ball first. Watch it. Watch it suck that. That thing works good. I never thought it would work that good, but. Alright, you guys stay here real quick while I get a container. Alright guys, so I got the container. Oh, just this. Works good. So this is the Zoller M98. This is the Zoller Photon. But let's try. The lacrosse ball. Let's see with the lacrosse ball. I bet you it's the same. But let's see. It has more suction. But we'll see. It's a slow riser pump. But if you want to hear action and stuff, just put that in there. Pop it in and put this on. It'll suck water down, but I think the lacrosse ball works better. And then put this in here. Oh, but the Zoller M98 works the best. It's a fact. Ooh, not too much, not too much. But now, this is between the golf ball. We're gonna see the golf ball versus the cross. Oh, let's see. Ooh. The golf ball automatically lets water in. We don't want that. We want it to literally fluctuate up and down. I don't think it's gonna fluctuate up and down like this. It's moving. That's what fluctuating means. We're putting a cross ball in there now. But look, it just sucks this down like it's the last thing that it ever has. But now we're putting it in here. This looks like a dry well, but we're gonna put it in here. Whoa! Alright, you gotta make sure you don't run into these. That thing is venomous. No, I stepped on it. Oh, this is weird. Oh, so I'm gonna put this in here. This is making a giant mess. Alright, so we're gonna put this in there and this in here now. What the? And watch. One thing that I don't really like about the M98's base is the way that it's like that. But I'll make sure to watch you guys on the next video. So thanks for watching and keep on sewing.